operation is a manufacturing company. From the outside, it looks like business running as usual. But there is a whole different story going on inside the production floor. The company is using a legacy system and data cannot be integrated within all departments. The users doing their job in spreadsheet and papers then going to someone's hands, as a result thing are delay. That is exactly what happened to Simon, the manager. He always missed to order the item he needed to be ordered and the quantity ordered is a bit too little or too large. One day he came across another major purchasing problem. He need to purchase 50 items, but supplier deliver 500 items. This caused a massive loss for the company. That is why Simon need a solution for a problem. He then searched online and found the real answer to solve his problem. Guavasoft ERP system. With years of industry's experience, provides solution to his problem and a system specially built for manufacturer. Guavasoft system, all the information is integrated for all department and the data is stored in the centralized database server. Which mean everyone is sharing the same information. This will minimize the possibility of human errors. Simon can access the system at any point of time and see what exactly is happening. It's fast and easy. Things have been running very smoothly because Guavasoft ERP provide better scheduling and greater visibility of the organization. Integrated from accounting, customer service department, inventory department, receiving department, and all the way integrate to the management. The system support multi-level bill of materials for an assembly. The module support for both discrete and batch process industries. Our production scheduling allow user to visualize of operations, machine capacity and work order due dates. Shop floor data collection, provide visualization of machine utilization at the shop floor, worker load and so on. The common problem faced by company is always be what to buy, how many to make, what to make, when to send, and where to send. With Master Production Scheduling Report, it is linked to sales demand where the plan show you when and how much of each product will be demanded in each period. Guavasoft Material Requirements Planning System calculating the materials and components needed to manufacture a product. It consists of 3 primary steps. Taking inventory of the materials and components on hand, identifying which additional material are needed and then plan them to purchase. Now with the integrated system, the planner now can answer and solve all the common problem that have been facing all this time. We can help you and do the same. With Guavasoft ERP implemented, Simon can put the company on the path to grow. We hope this video has been helpful. Should you have any questions, please contact my email at info@mrp.com.my. We look forward to helping you and your team member. Guavasoft ERP, solution provider to your problem.